Is the Berkeley motion light bright enough to light the end of your garden? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Berkeley solar motion light. Let's unbox. So inside the box we've got the screws and we've got the instructions. And finally we've got the light itself, all nicely wrapped up. Let's unwrap it. Stunning. So these lights are actually really easy to set up. Just make sure you consider carefully where you want to install them so you don't make any alterations to your property beforehand. Shadows will actually stop your solar panel from charging effectively if you have obstructions like trees, fences or buildings. So make sure your light is all clear from that. So to install this light, you're actually going to need to remove the bracket on the back, like so. As you can see, there's two holes on each side of this bracket. You can use them as a guide on your property or your fence to mark where you're going to hang your light. Then all you have to do before fixing the bracket to the wall is drill the holes and secure the plugs. Then simply hang the light on the bracket and you're done. So the motion sensor is located right on the front of the light, right next to the switch button. This will trigger by motion when activated after dusk. So to actually turn on this light, you'll need to hold down the switch button for 1 to 2 seconds, like so. Voila. So there are 4 lighting modes with this light. To choose the desired mode, you only need to press the switch button once, and then it changes. The lighting modes include Mode 1, which is a 25% brightness level until dawn. Mode 2 is a 10% brightness level, with the motion sensor also being activated for 30 seconds. Mode 3 actually remains off unless triggered by motion sensor for 30 seconds. And Mode 4 is the light at full brightness until dawn. Please do be mindful of your lighting mode and your location so as to not disrupt your neighbours too much at night. We do recommend using the low light options or the motion sensor where possible. The Berkeley motion light is 28 centimeters wide and 5 centimeters tall. It has a lovely contemporary and geometric form and is particularly stylish in modern garden homes. If you have any questions about this product, please do leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It makes all the difference. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.